members that work for Ford Motor Company, the over 6,000 of them, I am pleased to announce today that as a part of our settlement, we have negotiated $1.95 billion of investments that will predominantly go in our plants in Oakville and our engine plant in Windsor. The announcement for our facilities in Windsor includes a 6.8 liter engine, which will stabilize the employment and quite likely create new opportunities, which in the long term will pay dividends as it relates to the city of Windsor, the community of Essex County, the jobs of our members, but more importantly, the contribution to their entire community. Next question.
Your next question comes from Christy Lee Varley of AM 800 CK. Christy Lee, please.
Thank you. Jerry, I was just wondering, you mentioned the 6.8 liter engine for Windsor. Can you just give us some more specific details on that?
Yes, it'll be introduced in 2022. There's no question that that will give our plant the type of stability, just frankly flowing from the negotiated settlement with the 7.3 back in 2016. So I will argue this is another home run for the facilities. Right now we build engines for Ford's most successful products. The F-150 trucks, the Mustang, the 6.8 liter will be, just another step as we negotiate stability for this operation. So if I'm working today for Ford in Windsor, I'm feeling awfully good because I'm not worrying about layoffs. I'm thinking about the long term. So I am feeling very, very good about today's announcement and Ford's ultimate commitment to their footprint in Windsor and their commitment to our members in Windsor. Do you have a follow-up, Grace?
What vehicle will receive the new engine in Windsor?
It'll be derivatives for the Mustang and the F-150.
Thank you.